I love STEM School Highlands Ranch because of the amazing teachers we have here and how much they've really facilitated my learning in subjects and really helped me take everything a step further than I would have otherwise.
I love STEM School Highlands Ranch because my daughters have access to some of the most innovative and exciting learning experiences I've ever seen. They get to play with robots, design robots. They get to collaborate and do problem solving. And the whole time, all their teachers care about is them succeeding. And they've just received so much support along the way. And I really appreciate how much they see them as individuals and want to support them, not just in the middle school and the elementary school, but all the way through high school.
The teachers are amazing. They're always trying to make the students learn in fun, innovative ways, and everyone, including the teachers, is just super awesome.
So problem-based learning is something we do here, and it's where for any project you will get assigned a big overarching problem within the world today. And then you have to come up with a solution, and you create your whole entire project around solving that solution and presenting your findings. And I just think it's amazing because rather than having something taught at you, rather than just having something on a piece of paper, you write it down, you learn it for the test, and then forget it afterwards. It is something that's actually applicable to real life. And I think that's what education needs to be.